Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorial, we are going to learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, have you seen some containers on a particular website containing the headings like this? Have you ever wondered how we can do that in Bootstrap? Well, Bootstrap has got us covered, and Bootstrap is having some built-in classes for that particular thing. Well, that is called as Jumbotron. Well, what is Jumbotron? Let's take an example and look what exactly I am trying to say. So as you can see, I have got a demo.html file in which we are going to get a div class Jumbotron, and in that particular Jumbotron I am going to add a container. And let's just see some examples of H1. As well as a p tag. Let's save it and let's see it in our browser. Well, can you see that particular background color when I just give the class Jumbotron? So, how to use Jumbotron? Well, we can use it to enhance our heading on a particular page. This is the H1 I wrote and this is the p tag. So, let's just try to do it in CSS and let's just compare what the CSS does and what the Bootstrap does. So, we'll just hide both the links over here and save it, and we'll refresh the page. Well, in CSS we will have to give the particular padding, particular margins and the background color. After that we will get that particular output which we got by giving just a class in Bootstrap. So let's just get back to Bootstrap and see what we can do more in a particular Jumbotron. I'll just unhide the CDN and link. We'll refresh the page and let's just see that if we can change the background color. I have just given two classes, BG dark and text white. Now let's see. Yes, we can totally customize that particular Jumbotron. So we can use that Jumbotron in various places. Now let's move on to some alert boxes. Well, we have seen many contextual classes for giving the colors, background colors. So we are going to use that now. Let's take a div. In that particular div, I will take a class and we have the class alert primary. So, and in this particular class we don't have to give any kind of h1 or p tag, means we can give it, but if we do not give that both particular tags, we can still be able to see the output. So let's just take an example. What happens? Okay, I'll save it and then we'll see it in browser. Well, can you see that particular? Well, let's keep it in a div for a better look. I'm giving a div container plus margin top 5. Okay, so I have given a container, and in that particular container I have that alert primary class. So now let's refresh it. So you can see the hello I am primary in a particular box, alert box we can say, and we are having various different kind of alert boxes with that contextual colors we saw. So this was the primary. Let's try another one. I'll copy this and I'll change the primary to danger. Now let's see. So we got a red alert box, and like this only we can use all the contextual colors like warning or info or success, secondary, dark. So now let's see it in our browser. We got all the contextual alert boxes according to us. We can use it to make our website look more attractive and to enhance the particular alert box. So this is neat and clean. So what we saw today, we saw a Jumbotron for making the heading look beautiful on our website page, and with that we saw the various contextual alert boxes by just giving a particular Bootstrap class. So now let's just try that in CSS. What we get, we'll hide that particular link and we will see what we get in browser. So as you can see, with only CSS we will have to give them the padding, margin, then we will have to give background color, we will have to decide each and every color, while the Bootstrap does all the thinking and process on the server side, and with the CDN or with the package it gives us the built-in CSS file for that particular class. So we saw the Jumbotron today and alert boxes. Well, we will see more upcoming things in future classes. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.